In daily use, HomeClaw's main strength is that it combines smart home control, AI automation, mobile access, and advanced Linux and Docker flexibility in one local device. Home Assistant provides the ecosystem foundation. OpenClaw and Hermes adds the AI layer, and the LinknLink app makes setup and remote access easier. This gives regular users a simpler smart home experience while still leaving enough freedom for advanced customization. The local-first design is also important because core smart home control should remain stable and private even when internet access is not ideal. LinknLink HomeClaw True AI Gateway is one of the most interesting smart home devices of the year because it feels less like another hub and more like a compact AI-powered home server. By combining Home Assistant, OpenClaw, local first control, Matter Bridge support, free remote access, Linux flexibility, Docker, HACS, and AI automation tools, it offers a strong foundation for both regular users and smart home enthusiasts. HomeClaw brings smart home control, AI, remote access, and advanced customization into one small box, making it a promising step toward homes that are truly smart, not just connected.